Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Once my kids learned how to move, they no longer wanted to be in a playpen, and that made everything dangerous unless I could watch them 100%, which isn't possible. But this playpen by PATYWAGA is a great solution. Kids can't escape. This is my 2-year-old daughter, and I had her trying to zip it. The zipper's on the outside, so she could not unzip to get out. She could not climb over the sides. It keeps them in place, but it is huge. So my nephew and my daughter could be in here playing together. Lots of space. And so they didn't feel like they were constricted like a regular playpen, and they didn't mind being in here. My daughter actually liked being in here. It comes in a really nice carrying case. It's not much bigger than a regular playpen, so it's not burdensome to have to carry and tote around if you want to bring it to grandparents' house. Easy to put together. There's little security features. There's straps that Velcro, so there's no hard plastic pieces. There's a place to store your diapers and wipes. I am thrilled with this thing. It's so great for my in-laws who babysit my nephew because they have a nice, safe place they can put him all the time. And that's my point of view.